Lolo in the cut, and I got me a special guest. You feels me? You feel?
My name is Gru.
It's Gru. How do you spell?
What?
We making slime.
Down
You
to
feel?
slime.
We about to be slimy. This is called slimy glue.
Why you
That's
so-
fine. Okay, first off, you know what? We're missing an ingredient.
I am a weirdo.
What?
I don't understand what you're saying.
Oh, this is really bad. We'll just go with it.
Oh,
We'll just
no.
go with the flow, y'all. This isn't no tutorial, so. You gotta start like you're making eggs. You made eggs before?
No.
You did it on purpose.
No, you did it on purpose. I was trying to do something else.
Okay.
It's cold.
I know.
It's so squishy.
Oh! I fully did.
Why would you do that?
What was the accent? Oh, it is so disgusting. Look at this.
Yeah.
Oh, the pink one is getting stuck everywhere.
Get off me.
I'm thinking since the blue one was
I do
the
not.
blue one was drier than the pink one, that when I mix it, the water will absorb a little bit from the pink into the blue, and then it will come out really perfect because the blue one was quite dry. See, that's bad.
It just sticks right to you.
Oh, you got it. So thank you guys for watching. Comment down below. Let me know what else you guys want to.
I want to say it.
Okay.
Comment down below. Subscribe. Hit that notification bell.
Hey, oh, you watch a lot of YouTube. Okay, yeah. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. This might not have been the hypest video, but I was really focused on what is going on with this slime because I really want him to have slime.
Yeah.
Proper slime. But okay, guys. We
Oh,
out.
wait, no.
We out. Hey, we out. We live it. What?
We out. We out, bro. And subscribe again. Forever.
All right, bye. All right, guys. Bye.
And don't forget to subscribe again. Good.